This is the last part for that chapter 25 on protein and amino acid. We are going to look at here the non-essential and essential amino acids. So there's about 20 amino acids that are found in protein. Actually, there is 20 amino acids found in protein, and about half of them can be synthesized by humans. Exactly 11 amino acids can be synthesized in the body, and we call those non-essential, meaning that you don't need to include them in the diet. The rest of them, we call them essential. So essential doesn't mean only that you need them, but it means that because we can't synthesize them, they need to be obtained through the food. Example, meats contain all of the essential amino acids. Foods that do not have all of them are described as having incomplete amino acids, and that can lead to dietary deficiencies in the pool of essential amino acids that are needed and could lead to health problems. Now, this is important because people who are vegetarian usually don't have to worry about it because they will still have all the essential amino acids from dairy products, milk, cheese, and eggs. And if you look at people who are vegan, they need to be more careful. And that table is very instructive because it tells you here, well, the amino acids that are essential for adults. So you have all the lists 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then showing you some food that are incomplete with those amino acids. And then example where you can complement, making sure that you get all the essential amino acids, meaning that if you only spread peanut butter on bread, you're fine. Nuts and soybean are fine. Black eyed peas on cornbread will make you fine. Rice and beans and corn. Now, all of those non-essential amino acids, they can be made by getting their amino group from glutamate, the molecule that picks up ammonia in amino acid catabolism that we described earlier and carries it into the urea cycle. Now, glutamate is also important because it provides nitrogen for synthesis of other compounds such as purine and pyrimidine, ATCG, that exist in the DNA and RNA. The following 4 common metabolic intermediates are precursors for synthesis of the non-essential amino acid. Just looking at their pyruvate, oxaloacetate, alpha-ketoglutarate, and 3-phosphoglycerate. Glutamine is made from glutamate and asparagine, and that's a reaction of glutamine with aspartate. I will never ask you to memorize that reaction, but just know that the way it can be made. And if we look at here, the amino acid tyrosine, well, it's still classified as a non-essential because we can make it or synthesize it from phenylalanine, which is this one, an essential amino acid, meaning you have to have him in the diet. And then it brings to something that is very important. I'm sure you heard of it. Failure to convert phenylalanine to tyrosine is what we call PKU or phenylketonuria. Well, the results are elevated blood serum and urine concentration of phenylalanine, phenylpyruvate, metabolite produced when the body diverts phenylalanine to metabolism by other pathways. If undetected, PKU can cause mental retardation as soon as, well, this is second, it can be actually 3 to 6 months. But there is really a very important widespread screening of newborn infants. And the only way you can defend yourself against PKU is you need to avoid any food that is containing this. So must be on alert for food sweetened with aspartame, which is a derivative of phenylalanine. And that's here just the map to just summarize the biosynthesis of non-essential amino acids.